I am explaining about Mendel experiment on pea plant. Okay. So why he chose this plant, I had explained you in the last video, right? Because it have a very big size of flower, and this flower is always favor for the self-pollination, right? And it is an annual plant, right? And the characteristics of this plant, responsible gene will be presenting at a separate places, separate chromosomes. Okay. So these are all the reasons why he got choose this plant. Okay. Now I am coming to the experiment, Mendel experiment. What he did first, Mendel's inheritance theory is also called particulate theory. Okay. Why he said it is a particulate theory? Because there is an existence of minute particles. Minute particles எல்லாம் இருக்கு. எங்க இருக்கு அப்படினா nucleus of the plant cell இருக்கு அப்படின்றது சொல்றது. That minute particles is also called hereditary unit or also called factor. At last he said it is a gene. Yes. ஏன் அந்த minute particles particulate theory ஏன் hereditary units ன்னு சொல்றாங்க? Because that small particles, this small genes is responsible for each and every characteristics of living organisms. Right? Here, each and every characteristics of plants is determined by only the genes or the hereditary units or the minute particles which is given by our Mendel. Okay? So, what he did the artificial pollination or the cross pollination between the true breeding lines as well as the plant. Okay? True breeding line I had explained you in the last video. Okay? There is a undergoing continuous self pollination is called the true breeding line, and the true breeding line parent oda or artificial pollination or the cross pollination he did in this experiment. We'll move on to the experiment. Okay, what he did, he has taken two samples. Okay, two types of flower. One is purple flower, another one is white flower. So this is a variety of white flower of pea plant. This is a purple flower of pea plant. I told you yesterday pea plant is a one species, but it has two varieties. One variety is producing purple flower, one variety is producing a white color flower. Okay, this is just 5-step experiment only, not much bigger. Okay, the first step in this experiment is, first what he did is, he has removed the all anthers of the purple flower. Purple flower la irukka anthers remove பண்ணாரு. ஏன் remove பண்ணாரு? இது எல்லாத்தையும் remove பண்ணாதா white flower ஓட anthers இது மேல deposit பண்ண முடியும். அதிலோட anther இருக்க pollens இதுல deposit பண்ணா இது என்ன ஆகும்? கண்டிப்பா இது என்னது white variety. இது என்னது purple variety. So purple variety ல இருக்க female organ of the plant இந்த white flowerல இருக்கிற male organ of the plant என்ன கொடுக்குது, என்ன mix பண்ணா என்ன character கொடுக்குதுன்றது அவரோட study. Okay, so he has removed first step is removal or cut off anther of purple flower. Okay, first one step. Next, he has taken the anther from the white flower and it is deposited on the purple flower of the stigma. So he has removed only anther, that is androecium part of the plant, not the gynoecium part. So gynoecium part as such will be there. So in that will be deposited by the white flower of the anther. So second step is he deposition of or transport of anther from white flower to purple flower. Okay, finished. So over. So here the anther is getting this purple flower getting the anther from the white flower, and it is get united with the female part of the purple flower. At last it is giving a seed with the pod. What is called pod? இதுதான் pod. இதுல என்னது உள்ள இருக்குது ரவுண்டா சர்க்கிளா இருக்குது எல்லாமே என்னது seeds. Seeds will be covered by the covering is called pod. What is this called? Pod. So this pod is produced. So fertilization முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. இது வந்து என்னது cross fertilization பண்ணிட்டாரு. So he got the seed. So it consisting of, it is a fertilized seed. அப்போ male and female gametes fuse ஆனது என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Zygote. Zygote will be coming as a seed, right? So seed is presenting inside the pod. We got the fertilized pistil with pod. So pistil உள்ள இருக்க pistil என்ன ஆகுது? The purple flower ஓட pistil get pollinated with the anthers of the white flower by the cross pollination. At last it producing a fertilized pod or the fertilized pod consisting of seeds. Okay, in the seed in the pod kulla paatha all are mature seeds. These mature seeds is now ready for planting. Ready for planting. So இத போயிட்டு மண்ல planting பண்ணும்போது என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படினா we will be getting the purple flower. What is this? We will be getting the purple flower. So we will be getting the purple flower. Okay, so அப்ப என்ன சொல்ல வராரு? So இந்த white color flower இருக்கு, இந்த purple color flower இருக்கு. So who is dominant here? His dominant is purple color. So the all flower is producing, all the plant is producing purple color offsprings. What is this called? Fifth step is, so the offsprings is produced with the character of purple color flower. Yes, that's about the experiment. Okay, so our enna pannar white color flower anthers is deposited to the already anther removed purple color flower. So it is fertilized. This purple flower is fertilized with white color flower anther so that it producing a mature fertilized pod. The pod consisting of the mature seed. Seed is ready for the planting. After the planting, we'll be getting a purple plantlets or the purple offsprings is great. At last, we got the purple color flower, not the white color flower, because the purple color flower character is dominating the white color flower. Okay, so this is what he had explaining in this method. Did you understand? Okay. Next. So இதெல்லாம் இருக்கட்டும். இது இல்லாம இதெல்லாம் இவர் எப்ப கண்டுபிடிச்சாரு? இது year of 1866 in the range. 18th லே இவர் வந்து 18th century he had discovered. So in that period there was no microscope, there was no cell biology, there was no study of the cellular mechanism, no DNA, RNA அப்படினா எந்த knowledgeமே கிடையாது. But cell, across the cell, apart from the cell, apart from the cellular mechanisms and apart from the cell biology, apart from the DNA, RNA எல்லாத்தையும் தாண்டி அதை விட high poster இந்த DNA குள்ள இந்த character இருக்கு. The character is played by only the DNA or the gene அப்படின்றத determine பண்ணாரு. So Mendel got achieved or arrived his correct mechanism before the knowledge of cellular mechanism. செல்னா என்னன்னு தெரியாது, செல்லுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கு, சைட்டோபிளாசம், மைட்டோகாண்ட்ரியா இதெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு தெரியாது. செல் நம்மளால கண்ணில் பார்க்கவே முடியாது. You can see view under only the microscope எல்லாம் இல்லை, செல் இல்லை, எந்த நாலேஜும் இல்லை. He got arrived a correct mechanism, right? So that's what I'm telling here. And also இந்த characters எல்லாமே வந்து என்னது அவர் வந்து டிஸ்கவர் பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க. புரிஞ்சுதா? ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த தியரி வந்து என்ன பண்ணாரு? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் he studied he studied inheritance. இப்போ inheritance படிக்கிறாரா? ஸோ இதை வச்சு இந்த கேரக்டர் டாமினேட் பண்ணுதுன்றாரா? அப்போ he gave the or he formulated principle of heredity and study of inheritance, formulated principle heredity. Now he constitute at last he constitute Mendelian genetics. இவ்வளோலாம் பண்ணுறாரே, அவரை நம்ம Mendelian genetics இது அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடாதா? we can say no problem in that, right? So it is he constitute the Mendelian genetics through the making of principles to the heredity through the study of inheritance. Okay, so இதெல்லாம் டிஸ்கவர் பண்ணிட்டு இதனால என்ன நமக்கு யூஸ் அப்படின்னா, this is very big use in the place like crop varieties. So இதை வச்சு தான் vegetables, different types of vegetable, Bangalore tomato, Bangalore brinjal, right, and cabbage variety, hybrid variety, green leaves variety, and so many plants is coming with a hybrid variety only. So all these plant crop varieties எல்லாமே எப்படி வருது? Cropனா என்ன? Plant, விளைபயிர், இதுக்கே அது crop சொல்லுவாங்க. So he got give the crop revaluation. Okay, plus crop varieties given by crop hybrids. Yes or no? இது ஒரு plant, ஒரு vegetable plantல பண்ணா will be getting definitely one hybrid, right? So it is very useful in the crop variety by doing the crop hybrids. So at last it helps in the crop revaluation. Did you understand? Yes. Next, he got died by in the year of 1888. Okay, 1884, and அதுக்கப்புறம் யார் வந்தாங்கன்னா 3 சயின்டிஸ்ட் வந்தாங்க. ஸோ அவரோட இந்த பெரிய எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட்ஸை எடுத்துக்கவே இல்லை. when he presented and published in the Bren Society of Natural History எல்லாம் வந்து அவர் வந்து பப்ளிஷ் பண்ணுறப்ப they didn't accept because he is not a biologist because of that reason, and they are not interested in taking up the mathematical and statistical law into the biology அப்படிங்கிறத அவங்களால எடுத்துக்கவே முடியல. they are not accepting or agreeing his experiments. After that he died. அவர் இறந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் 1884. In the year of 1900, Hooghly varies, Karl Kaunz and Testmark. The Hooghly varies is from the Holland, and Karl Kaunz is from the Germany, and his Testmark is from the Austria. 3 scientists from the different countries. They rediscovered Guy's and the Mendel experiments are very good and correct, and we cannot avoid it. It's very, very essential. Like that, they rediscovered their studies in the year of 1900. After that only it has taken for their consideration. Okay, so this is about the Mendel experiments on pea plant. What is this column? This is a column. He has taken a 7 character to make the principle of heredity. Heredity oda principle இந்த 7 character of the pea plant வச்சு ரெடி பண்ணிருக்காரு அப்படினா, first character என்ன அப்படினா, first character is stem length here. Plant stem, tall, dwarf, then flower color, purple color, white color, and flower position, it is in the top place. Sorry, this is in the axial portion, and this is in the terminal portion. Terminal இருந்தா கொஞ்சம் தான் பூ பூக்கும், பட் வந்து சைடுல ஆக்சிஸ்ல இருந்த ஆக்சியல் ரீஜன்ல தான் நிறைய ஃப்ளார்ஸ் வரும். நிறைய ஃப்ளார்ஸ் வந்து pollination possible, right? So that இது dominating typeல வருது. Okay, flower position, seed color yellow color, seed color here green color, seed color, seed shape, seed color, seeds வந்து ரவுண்டா இருக்கும், பட் இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு மாதிரி ரிங்கிள்டா இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ இது எப்படி சொல்லலாம்? ஷேப் ரவுண்ட் ரிங்கிள்டு. ஓகே, அண்ட் பாட் ஷேப், பாட் நல்ல இப்படி வந்து உப்பி இருக்கும், அதுக்குள்ள அழகாக சீட்ஸ் அழகாக இருக்கும், இன்ஃப்ளேம்டாக உப்பி இருக்கு. பட் இங்கே பாட் பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு மாதிரி கன்ஸ்ட்ரிக்டடாக இருக்கும், இதுக்குள்ள சீட்ஸ் இருக்கும். That is part shape. Part color, yellow color, green color. Part shape, part color, seed shape, seed color, flower position, flower color, plant stem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are all the 7 characters that making the principle of heredity by the Gregor Mendel. So these are all the characters will dominating this recessive plant. Why? Because this is dark plant, the stem length is short, and the color of the flower, it is not producing purple, it is having white color. Why it is producing white color? I will give you the molecular answer on the next video. Okay, and this is a purple flower and it is producing a axial. Axial na side la neriya poo poothittu irukku, but it is terminally it is produced few numbers of flowers, and the seed color is yellow color and seed color is green color, and seed shape is a round, but it is somewhat wrinkled here and there in the seed, and part shape is inflamed and it is constricted. Part color is green color and yellow color. Okay, based on this only he gave the principle of heredity. Thank you.